Hello, my name is Madhav Pendari and I'm going to present on the topic understanding food labels. This is a Pecha Gocha presentation. What is food label? Food label is a kind of nutritional status that the nutritional statistics that are printed on the prepackaged food on the backside, which contains all the information from nutrition to serving sizing and all those other things which are necessary. History of food labels. The Government of Canada made labeling of food mandatory in 2007. This was when the Food Canada Guide of Food Guide of Canada was in 2000, upgraded in 2007. After this move, all the companies were mandated to print the nutritional information on the prepackaged food. Before this, companies were not mandated to print this information. The food guide also mandated companies to print the serving portion, nutritional values, percentage daily values, etc. Health Canada and Canadian Food Inspection Agency are two organizations which are responsible to regulating this information and control this information and control all those companies which does not follow this rule. Who is responsible for printing it? All the companies in Canada have to print the nutritional values on the food packets after 2007 Canadian Food Guide was released. If they don't print it and someone falls sick or faces any danger due to the negligence of the company, then they need to pay large amount of fines or some serious steps are taken against them and sometimes the company can go out of business as well. Organization responsible for it. The companies need to make sure all the information is printed properly as per the regulation. There are some government agencies in Canada which are responsible for making sure that everyone is following these rules and regulations and implementing it properly. The agencies are Health Canada and Canadian Food Inspection Agencies. These agencies can also take legal actions against the food producers if they are not doing or following the rules properly. Importance of understanding food labels. We can understand the nutritional values on the labels and choose the healthy food option which can be beneficial for our body. We can know what ingredients or raw materials was used in making this particular food. Then on the food labels, they also mention the ingredients to which some people are allergic. Legal requirements of food labels. Companies have legal obligation as per producer to correctly label each and every item or each and every product. There could be serious repercussions if they don't follow this. Company will receive an improvement notice from the authorities if they determine that they are not following the rules properly. This notice outlines what they are doing incorrectly, what rules they are breaking right now, and the authorities give certain times by which these companies have to make or do the changes which are required as per the notice given by the authority. Content of food label. Nutritional fact, name of food ingredients, percentage of ingredients, best before dates, cooking and storage instructions, contact details of the company, and country of production. Nutritional fact. A nutritional fact is a table in which the company have to display nutritional statistics like the amount of calories, energy, fat, sugar, minerals, cholesterol, etc. This can help in making healthier choice while a person is doing grocery shopping. Name of the food. A clear name or description should be written on the packet so anyone purchasing it can understand it easily and buy that product. And the company have to make sure that the name is not false or it shouldn't be misleading. Ingredients. All the items from raw material to chemical, substance, preservative, additive, anything used must be mentioned on the food packet so the person buying it should be easily able to know what the product is made of. It must be arranged in the order of decreasing weight or percentage. If anyone is allergic to some ingredients, then they will not consume that particular food item and be safe to those allergic reactions. Percentage of ingredients. If you advertise that this is a certain product and you print different image on the package, it can be misleading and it can put you in some serious conflict with the authorities and the consumers. So always make sure what you are advertising and the thing printed on the package is always same. Cooking and storage instruction. This is also important as the consumer always doesn't know about the cooking process, like if they have to warm it in the microwave or they have to throw it and then cook it. And if this information is there on the package, then consumer know everything about cooking it. The storage conditions are different for all products. Some needs to be stored at cool temperatures while others need to be stored at normal room temperature. They must print address of the company, name of the country, name of the company, address of the company, and all the other necessary details of the company. If the consumer wants to clarify anything or have a query about the food product, then they must have a customer care number or any other number on which they can call and clarify their doubts. How to use nutritional facts table to package research. Step 1. Look at the serving size. Step 2 is to check or compare the amount of calories to the serving size and then make a healthier choice. Step 3 is check the daily percent value. Daily percent values are the amount of nutrition which is the food product has compared to the DRI values, and we should choose the food item which is having high daily percent values, and we should always make sure we are choosing the food products which have a high amount of minerals and nutrients, and avoid the food with more calories and less nutrients. Food which doesn't need to be doesn't need food labels. Foods which are sold at the farmers market or meats doesn't need the food labels. Food is which is the fresh produce such as fruits, vegetables, alcoholic drinks, and the food which is sold in small portions. Key points. This can be used to make good and healthier choice for maintaining good and nutritious diet. This was made mandatory after 2007 Canada Food Guide update. Before, every product didn't had all this information printed on it. Question. Is this information necessary for the customer? Why it was made mandatory to have food labels on prepackaged food items before 2007? What is the importance of understanding or reading these food labels? These are some of the resources from where I have taken my information. Thank you.